Okay, so this is I suppose, our first, I guess, kind of our proto Scrum session for our group in CS 545. We're just here to discuss our goals and our maybe initially some of the features that we want to include in our product, which at least tentatively and probably somewhat conclusively is the ratings application. Okay. So probably ultimately, I feel like we'll probably want to actually meet in person so we can kind of share lo-fi prototypes and stuff like that. But I guess the one way we could start is thinking of it from there's kind of two ways to look at the application. One is from the user's perspective and then from the business perspective. And I suppose we could start by looking at it from the user's perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, Daniel, I just had one concern. I mean, we need to we need to make a profile on Agile Ventures, right?
Yes.
And we need to upload the project documents and about the goals and about stuff like that. And we also need to update the pivotal tracker. So can we do this a weekend? Because now that we have
That's the plan. Yeah.
Now that we have stuff sorted out, we can go ahead and make a profile there about our project and upload the documents, right?
Mm-hmm. So I think that, and I'm not really sure how I haven't actually gotten any feedback from our TA so far regarding the format for the abstract as opposed to the project proposal. So I'm really not sure how to proceed in that regard. I might send him an email this evening if I can get that, because otherwise I don't know what to say.
And Daniel, the last time you sent the project proposal to me, is it the same or it has been modified somewhat?
I haven't modified it since, but since they're asking for an abstract, I assume it would be just a more formal version of the document, which I showed you. So the nice thing is we do have some kind of a document already.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
so that we can use that to upload in the Agile Ventures.
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
And of course improve it as we refine our list of features. So I don't know if you guys are ready to talk about okay, so understood. We'll definitely get the Pivotal Tracker and the Agile Venture set up this weekend. Maybe I might not have time to do those things tonight, or even do both of those. I could probably do one of those things if one of you guys was willing to take on the other, either the Agile Ventures or the Pivotal.
Yeah, I can do the Agile Ventures thing. I mean, I can make a profile and I can upload the abstract. But as you mentioned that you're not sure about the abstract document. I mean, how it has to be. So you have actually dropped a mail to Ankur saying you need a proper format, right?
Yes, I will do that. And what I'll do, I think what I can do is, maybe what you can do is when you set up the Agile Ventures account, you can just put what we have now.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
And then I'll update it as soon as I get the more formal.
Sure. Okay. Sure. Sure. Okay. Sounds good. And regarding the features now, we need to speak about it right now, or can we meet in person and discuss? Because that would be a good idea, I guess.
That would be a good idea. Yeah. I'm wondering if we could do that tomorrow, though. If either of you guys, Sudeep, I know you're not feeling well, so I wouldn't want to drag you out in this. But
no, it's okay. I mean, if I'm actually better tomorrow, I can come down to the college and I can.
Okay, nice. Maybe we can just meet in the library or something like that.
Or we can do it on Monday morning if that's possible for you. Monday morning or just before class. But because Actually, because I believe that Shiva has a class before our lecture, I guess. He has a DA lecture.
Right, right.
Yes.
We should share our class schedules with each other so that we know good times. So
Yeah,
okay.
we can do that.
And I'm thinking actually, I don't know if you guys use Google Calendars to organize your schedule, or because that might be if you do that might be the simplest thing. Otherwise, we can just email our class times to each other.
Yeah, anything would work out.
Yeah, Google Calendar is good for me. I mean, we can do that.
Okay. Great. We'll see if we can see. Great. So I'll share a version of my Google Calendar that has my classes and things in it. So
Okay.
I haven't done that before, but I'm sure hopefully I'll be able to figure it out.
Yes.
Great. So we'll share our class schedules, and then on that basis, I think we should have, like I said, like at least a weekly, maybe even twice a week Scrum sessions. Just
yes,
that would be a good idea.
Mm-hmm. And we'll schedule those pending us knowing all of each other's schedules, so we can good times for that.
So
yeah, sure.
Google Calendar.
Okay, so I guess so if you guys want to maybe hold off on talking about the features,
sure.
I don't know. I will ask the professor tonight if we have to submit. I'll see if I can find out a little bit more about that abstract, because I don't know if we need to finalize our features literally by Monday, or because I don't think that if we met Monday morning, I don't know if we would necessarily have time to complete a good proper abstract just by class time. We might. They're not
you know, on that part, I can speak to Ankur and get exactly what his views are, and probably I will pass it along to both of you. And also I would kind of pursue him to give us a time, give us a little bit of time, probably on Tuesday, because on Monday after our class we can meet.
Yeah.
And probably finalize some features and give him some solid extract by Tuesday or Wednesday. I can ask him and buy time. I will do that.
And actually I had a concern. I mean, we do not have a common communication group yet, because like you call me and you message me, and then Shiva messages me, so like we do not have a common communication group.
Let's set up a Slack channel. I think that's the best thing to do.
No, but
Slack is good.
I mean, like we do have a Slack channel, but Slack, I mean, like people have Slack open, like sometimes they do not have it open, so we are not yet in sync with each other's timings yet. So Daniel, do you use WhatsApp by any chance? Because like we can make a group there and we can communicate there, because that's what that's what we all do, because that is the that is the most convenient way to stay in touch.
Okay, sure. For me, I will say it's going to be like purely business for me, because I don't.
Okay.
Probably won't look at like the social aspect of it, but for business stuff, if that's what you guys use, then I can adapt to that, I think. Okay. Assuming my phone is compatible with it. I have a very, very old phone, but I don't think it's too much of an issue.
Okay, thank you, Daniel.
Okay, that sounds good, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be meeting at 8 o'clock again for pair programming with the professor, or what?
That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, or I don't know how you guys are doing on the homework, or if you're still working on it, or if you've gotten it finished mostly.
No, actually, I haven't finished it yet. I've just started, so probably I'll join in with you. I'll do a session. I can do a programming session with the professor as well.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Shiva?
Okay, so we are meeting on Monday, right?
Yes.
I guess so, unless we find out we have to meet on Sunday.
And I will
So like Shiva, you are going to speak with.
tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, and I will confirm with Ankur.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Ankur.
So
Yeah,
yeah. So like, do I go
I
ahead
will speak with the team.
and so like, do I go ahead and make a profile on the Agile Ventures
Sure. Yeah,
regarding
I don't know what we're going to call our project necessarily.
Yeah, you can go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, so like, yeah, so actually that is what I wanted. I wanted an like a project document which is like now currently up to date, and we do not have a name for the project yet. So since it's Daniel's idea, Daniel, you can suggest like the name, uh, and I can go ahead and create a profile there.
Oh, sorry, didn't catch that.
Probably I think no. Rate the business, something like that.
Yeah. Tell me if this sounds like a weird title. I was thinking. So you know the expression. So it's a unit for initially it's for university students, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you know the expression ivory tower for like academia.
Yeah.
So I was thinking of calling, since it's sort of a way of getting, I don't know, this might have like weird, like, I don't know, colonialist connotations or something, but I was thinking of calling it Ivory Village, because it's like getting students out of the university and into the community. Just an idea. That was the only clever name that I thought of. You can probably think of something better, though. Or at least for a working title.
Okay, like we can brainstorm on it. I mean, we can actually we can keep coming up with names, and we can change the title of the project if we want later also. Like that's not an issue.
Yeah.
We just need a document right now which we can upload in Agile Ventures. So Shiva is going to speak to Ankur, and he will give a proper format. And as soon as we have the format, we can have the document actually done with that format, and then we can upload it, right?
Yeah,
we can
sure.
have a tailor-made or like a document.
Yeah, I will do that as soon as possible.
Okay. So, like Shiva, can you go ahead and create the profile, because like you are going to speak to Ankur, right?
Yeah, I will speak to Ankur. Yeah.
Since you are going to speak with Ankur, and then you are going to then we have planned in in such a way that you will be giving me the project abstract, and I will go and create.
Actually, what I am going to speak to Ankur, is that probably what kind of abstract he needs. Means probably I think he would I don't know what he's going to tell me, but I will also check with him if we can give him the put the profile on Agile Ventures and abstract on probably somewhat after Monday, so that it will buy us some time.
Also, ask him also about the Springler format that he keeps talking about, because I haven't really been able to find any information on what that is, and he just keeps talking about it. So I'd love to know so we can do what he wants us to.
Yeah.
I think that would be good to have.
I will. Yeah. First, I will get the things clear, and I will put all the details in mail to both of you.
Yeah. Okay, terrific. So maybe like by sometime by tomorrow. Before tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. By tomorrow, before tomorrow afternoon, I think I should be able to do it.
Okay, like late morning. Okay, great.
Yeah.
And then, okay, good. So, great. So, talk to Ankur, create profile. That is some tasks. And then I guess we also need the pivotal tracker site.
Yeah.
So I could take a look at that one if it is, as long as it doesn't turn out to be extremely complicated. I could set that up probably.
Okay. Or Yeah, Daniel, like, I mean, like, we can do it in collaboration. I mean, like, you can do a screen share, and we can both go through the, we can both go through the pivotal tracker.
Yeah, we can do it. If we have to, we can do it Monday morning. But if it's simple, I might just set it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, cool then. We meet Monday then.
Okay, sounds good. And I'll Shiva, if you can get me the information from Encore, I might actually go ahead and get us start working on the abstract for us, and then you guys can review it at your leisure.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, Shiva, just actually copy us both in the mail that you are going to send to Ankur. That would be good.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, Shiva.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, Shiva. Thank you.
And so then
thanks for this.
Just to be sure that we all know exactly everything that's going on. So I talked about it a lot, but so Shiva's tasks: talk to Encore and create the profile for whatever it's called. My jobs are to try to set up the pivotal tracker, start working on an abstract if possible, and get a WhatsApp account.
Yeah.
And Sudeep, I guess if you want to just go ahead, maybe, because you mentioned geolocation a little while ago, maybe if you wanted to start looking into that, the capability. So I think I kind of explained how accurate is it? Can it if someone turns on a web app in a store, could geolocation be able to tell what store that is, what address that is, or is it more general? So that's kind of one of the things that I'm interested in finding out. So yeah.
I mean, I can go ahead and work on that because because I have not worked on the geolocations yet. I mean, I do not have a project where I have actually gone ahead and used geolocations, but I can actually take a look.
Sure, because it sounds like that's something you're interested in as a research area.
Yeah.
Probably along with Sudeep, I will also research on that point.
Okay.
Yep. That's good.
All right.
Okay then. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, guys. That was a good.
Okay. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Shiva.
Thanks. Take care, man, Sudeep.
Yeah. Take care.
Have a rest.
Go better.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye. See you guys.
And this is the end. This concludes the I guess our proto Scrum session for Saturday, February 27th, and we will return soon.